Hi everybody, so today I said I was going to make a video. A lot of you are still struggling with solving equations. So this video is going to be an opportunity for you to take notes, so I want you to get paper and pencil. I want you to do this, okay? I know I homeschooled two children using the K-12 curriculum. So I'm not only a teacher, I'm also a mom of one of you guys. Just like what you're doing, my kids did that. So when you hear take notes, please follow my directions and go get paper and pencil right now, and we're going to take notes. Pause the video. Okay, hopefully you have paper and pencil now, and we're ready to do this problem. What is our goal here? Our goal is to get x all by itself. I want to know what x equals, but I can't right now. Why? Because I have things around on my equals, on this side of my equal sign. I have this 2 hanging around. I have this plus 8 hanging around. I need to get rid of them so I can see what x is all by itself. It wants to look just like this. Let's pretend x has bad breath and doesn't want to be around any of his friends or relatives. We want to get him isolated. That's what it's called, isolating x, solving for x. How do we do it? Step 1, get a block and cover up the part that has the variable. We don't want to look at it yet. We don't want to look at the one that has the letter there. See that letter? Cover it up. All right, at this point in your notes, I want you to pause the video. Or no, don't pause the video. I want you to look at my notes, which are right here, and I want you to pause the video, and I want you to copy what you see right here. It says get out a block and cover the number that has the variable. The variable is the letter. And when you're ready, start the video again. Okay, good job. Next thing we want to do is we want to do what is the opposite of plus 8. Look at the number, look at the sign in front of it. It's a plus 8. What is the opposite or inverse of plus? It is minus. Look, I'm putting it right under the number. Minus 8. Look, I'm putting my minus 8 right under this number. I have to do it to both sides. It's an equal sign. I need to make it equal. If I do it to this side, to make it equal, I need to do it to this side. Stop. After you see my notes, pause the video and write down what I just showed you right here. I need to do the opposite operation of the number that is on the left side of the equal sign. If it's a plus 8, you do minus 8 to both sides. Okay, I need to do the opposite operation of the number that is on the left side of the equal sign, and I'm going to add something this to both sides. I should have put that in there before. Pause the video, copy these notes, and then resume the video. What do we do next? We do the math. We do the math. We get out a calculator and we say plus 8 and minus 8 cross out. Make the line. Show me that you know that this plus 8 and minus 8 cross out. Do the math over here. 16 take away 8 on your calculator is 8. Copy your equal sign down. Okay, here are some more notes. Cross out the left side of the equal sign, the numbers that cancel out. I want you to copy that. And I want you to copy this. On the right side of the equal sign, do the math. Here's the equal sign. On the right side of the equal sign, use your calculator and do the math. Pause your video, copy those notes. When you restart this video, you're going to see how to finish the rest of this problem. Now, what do? We move this block out of the way. And we are going to recopy this 2x. Look, this is done. This is done. The only thing we have left is this. We're going to recopy the 2x. Okay, here's time to take some notes. Copy your equal sign if you haven't done that already. Uncover the block and recopy whatever is there, whatever was here, whoops, recopy it right here, next to your equal sign. Pause this, copy these notes, and then restart the video. Okay, Next thing we have to do, how do I get rid of this 2 that's next to this x? I'm going to divide both sides by 2 because this means 2 times x. The opposite of multiply is to divide. This is my divide sign. Remember, a fraction is a divide sign. Divide. 8 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. Let's go ahead and put some notes down. Do the opposite operation of the number that is next to the letter. This is the number that's next to the letter. Do the opposite. If it's multiply, you divide. If this was a division problem, I would multiply. So 2 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. Do it to both sides. To both sides. I should have put that in there. The last thing we do is we do the math. Last thing, you can copy that right now. Look. Right here, it says do the math. Get your calculator out. Do 2 divided by 2 is 1. Copy your x. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Don't forget your equal sign. Don't forget to bring your x down. X equals 4. So I just solved that equation for you in kind of like a slow way with breaks in between. But watch how simple it actually is. All I'm going to do is notice I need to get rid of this. I take 8 away from both sides. Do the math. 16 take away 8 is 8. Cross these guys out. Recopy this. Divide both sides by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. X equals 4. Those are the steps in a nutshell. Now go and do the problems in the breakout room. Make sure you have your notes. Make sure that you are not sure if you are not sure what to do, you'll look at this video and follow my directions step by step by step.